Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and today I'm back working on the project I'm doing for Collection Obsession this month. If you missed the other couple of videos, I'm working on a cruise album that my husband and I took back in 2014. And it was a cruise up the Queensland coast. I am working on Wednesday today, and we did do a shore tour. So we're getting off the boat and exploring the town of Yorkeys, which is up in the Cairns region. Now, looking at the pages that I've got for this sector of the trip, I've got this 2-page spread. I've also got another 2-page spread and this insert that I want to do. So I thought I might split it into two. So what I was thinking, I'll work on this page, which isn't going to be much, and then I was going to do the reverse side, then do this on another video. So my plans are journaling here. I'm not sure whether I'm going to just split this into two and have an accent and my journaling. Then I'll also have my little cluster down here that I had been doing for the other days I've done previously. I might also add some more to this card, just so it's embellished a little bit further. On the flip side, I will need to choose a piece of pattern paper to be backed for this side of the layout. And I'm not sure what else I'll do. I'm going to go and do some preparation work now, and I'll be back. I just thought I'd pop back on. I was thinking about this section here, how I wanted to have my journaling, and I also wanted to have some embellishment because this spread is quite photo heavy and there isn't much opportunity to do some decorating. I was looking through my scraps to decide what I was going to put up in this corner. I had the leftovers from this wood grain, so I've decided to bring that across. And I thought I'd do a cool little flip, like I'm sure I've seen in Vicky Bouton's mini albums that has been shared. So I can decorate the outside. I could also decorate the inside here, and then I have a full 6x4 to do my journaling. And I thought to keep this closed, I can always put a paper clip there. So I'll just take this out of the sleeve here to show you. So It's 6 inches here, 8 inches down, and I just scored in the middle to get my flap. Okay, so now I think I'm at the stage where I can call this done. I would like to add my journaling on before I continue on. So I have got a paper clip here holding my cool little flap in place. So I've got a tab and I've decorated the front. When I flip up, I've just left this undecorated, and I've got plenty of space for my journaling. I may decide to add some more embellishing here. It all just depends on how much I end up writing. On this side, I have got the date, the little ship. I've got just a little word sticker there and embellishing. I couldn't find my tiny little hearts. These ones here. So I've just gone with a couple of the enamel dots just so there is some consistency on my day tabs. I had to break into another sticker set because of the mixture of colours. As you can see in the end, I've had to mix anyway, so that's how it is. And I've just added a little bit of a embellishment cluster on this cut apart just to add some more interest and decoration. On the other side, I have just cut down to 6 by 12. At the moment, I'm not exactly sure what else I want to do because this forms the next part of the 2-page spread, and there's also an insert, if you remember from the start of the video. That will be part 2. I hope you've enjoyed seeing a little bit of my process of putting this one together today. This album is really coming along, and I would like to point out that doing online classes does help with other crafting projects that you do, because what I've learned from doing Chamel's class, Journal Your Christmas, is the same ideas that we do with traditional layouts. We're bringing the colours over so the pages match. I hope you've enjoyed seeing part of my process in putting these spreads together. I hope it inspires you to create, and I do hope that you come back and see how I put together part 2. See you again soon. Bye.